So when I printed this vertically, it printed out really well, but the problem was it's so thin to recess into the frame that when you take the brim off, it actually broke off the bottom section. So hopefully the quality on the litho is the same, but we'll have to see. So that's nice. Alright. Well, it came off nice. Let's see here if I can do this for you. I'll switch it up. You didn't think I'd do a solar eclipse video, did you? Nah, you can't see it. So it's good, but it's not great. So you definitely have to print these vertical. Alright, so this time around I did a little out of the box thinking here. And instead of a brim, these are just 20mm supports to the first lip of the litho. So instead of having the brim welded onto the litho, I'm hoping these supports just come off. Oh. Interesting. So I think I finally figured it out. We got that nice, really thin lip around there. It printed really nice. A little bit of warpage, but not too bad. And we got good adhesion. It's pretty well cooled down. Still a little warm, but let's see if this one works better. So in Simplify 3D this time I made the layers a little different. These layers go 100% infill, then it's up to 10% infill, up to 100 again. So the posts themselves are actually 100% infill this time. So we'll see if I can get them to separate. Yeah, without breaking. So it's all cooled off now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't know. Sorry, got the TV running in the background there. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, fits just perfect now. See, there we go. Cool. Let's put it together.
everybody. So it has come to my attention that 70 subscribers actually care about what I say or do, which kind of blows my mind. But at any rate, I figured I'd give an update video because it's been about a week since I posted anything and it's just been super busy. You can see behind me, kind of in a different location. So I don't know what's going to happen to the namesake of the channel. But it did start when I lived in a trailer. So I'm probably going to keep it. But at any rate, we're going to put up some drapes today. And I had the old curtain rods at the old house. But I don't have any brackets. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to print some. But there's a few problems with that. I'll show you. So as you can see, your guess is as good as mine to where the filament would be. You know, we'll see what happens. I don't even know where my batteries for the camera are. So, yeah. So once I get the printer back up and running and find the filament, I'll start printing brackets and at least get some video out. But that's what's going on. Moving. Life's a mess. I'll get videos when I can. Thanks for watching.